I go. Hello guys, once again, welcome back to the beauty of South Africa, the channel that focuses on South African travel, automotive, technology, and general South African day-to-day culture. If this is your type of content, you are in the right place, so please stick around. In today's video, please join me as I do a cybersecurity presentation at work. Cybersecurity is a buzzword these days, and I'm sure this is the reason why you are in this video. And if you are interested in cybersecurity, this video will give you a small introduction into a cybersecurity component, which is the importance of cybersecurity awareness in a workplace. If you are interested in cybersecurity, this is one of the duties that you are going to be executing in your organization if you are a cybersecurity specialist or you belong to a cybersecurity team in an organization. And if you find value in this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever we release new videos. I hope that you are going to learn something from this video, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. This is a virtual meeting, and currently I'm with the team virtually, and we are instructed by the chairperson of the meeting to wait for all the role players to join the meeting. Thereafter, for introduction, we are each going to be given an opportunity to introduce ourselves so that we know our contributions to this meeting. Good morning, colleagues. My name is Nkululeko Cele, Admin Officer in IT Cybersecurity. I will pass it over to Snetemba Hlongwane. Oh, apologies for that. Okay. I think whichever colleague that hasn't introduced themselves, they can continue. Thanks. Thank you so much, Joas. And once again, colleagues, my name is Nkululeko Cele, Admin Officer in IT Security. In this short presentation, I'm just going to be focusing on cybersecurity awareness. And just to highlight before I start that if you have any related queries or questions in relation to cybersecurity, you may contact our cybersecurity component. There is a dedicated email address of which I will present in this email, where you can raise all your concerns or any question in relation to cybersecurity. As I said in this very short presentation, I'm just going to be highlighting topics based on cybersecurity awareness. And within the topic, I'm just going to touch on why cybersecurity campaigns, participation, and incident reporting. So cybersecurity awareness, one might ask themselves as to what's the importance of cybersecurity awareness at work. I would like to highlight that cybersecurity awareness is paramount to all of us as computer users. Whether you are using your computer for personal use or you are using it for work-related reasons, it's paramount, especially for those that are handling confidential data. It is very important to be cybersecurity aware. Further, vigilance is vital when it comes to cybersecurity. Our goal as the department is to ensure a smooth operation of critical infrastructure, and that solely relies on recognizing and mitigating cyber threats. Furthermore, for individual processing confidential data, cybersecurity awareness is crucial to protecting personal and organizational integrity. Mishandling of sensitive information can lead to severe legal, financial, and reputational consequences. Cybersecurity awareness at work empowers employees to recognize, respond to threats, and reducing the risk of data breaches. In summary, cybersecurity awareness is essential for national security, public safety, and preserving organizational trust. Going on to cyber awareness campaigns. I'm sure that all of us, I hope that all of us are aware that we've been, the cybersecurity component has been running cybersecurity campaigns as from the beginning of the financial year of 2023 up until the last month. These are our efforts and contribution as the cybersecurity components towards strengthening our cybersecurity measures. These cybersecurity campaigns are a mandate, and they are aimed at equipping all Department of Transport staff members, including consultants, with the skills and knowledge on how to protect the integrity of ourselves as employees, but mainly we need to protect the integrity of the Department of. And additionally, these campaigns are aimed at instilling education and knowledge of the common threats or any latest threats. If you've been aware, these campaigns have been forms of articles and posters on emails and online interactive trainings. I would like to touch on the fact that the participation and interaction on these campaigns has not been what we are aiming for. So I would like to appreciate all those that have been participating, committing themselves, taking their time to participate in the campaigns. And I would also like to request all of those who have not participated to please participate in future campaigns. I would also like to request supervisors to lead in these campaigns, to lead by example, and also motivate their staff members to participate in cybersecurity campaigns. Further to that, we are currently working on new campaigns for the rest of the financial year and beyond. So please take note that these campaigns, you will be notified when these campaigns become available for your participation. So just to remind all of us that vigilance is very, very important. Please be vigilant of any unusual activities. And if you suspect that your computer is being compromised or there's any unusual activities, I'm happy to announce that we do have a dedicated line or a dedicated email address where you can report all your incidents. And the email address is displayed on the screen, or as mostly we must be vigilant of unusual, suspicious emails, suspicious attachments, or any suspicious links, unusual error messages on our computers, or any unusual activities on our computers. When you report your query will be attended to. Last but not least, please always remember that if it's too good to be true, most of the times it comes out to be too good to be true. Thank you, Chair. That will be all from me. Thank you.